While developing our own application, we imagine how much money it will bring us. But usually, we forget that Google Play contains over 2 million applications that fight for a place on your mobile phone. So, since we published it on the market, we always try to do something in order to promote our application to the top. But what to do in order to maintain your result? We know the answer: keyword installs. Here is the answer. Choose the right keywords for your app and start the promotion today. When you get ranked for chosen keywords, you will start to get organic traffic. It means that from now on, your users can easily find you and download your app. Well, now get ready to receive tons of new customers from top ranks. Keyapp.top. We will lead you to the top. No, I mean it. We will.